What is an affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publisher to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. Incentivizes them to find ways to promote the company. So, in my previous content, I share the advantages of this business idea. So, if you are a small content creator just like me, I am currently with a brand affiliate which has helped me open up opportunities of affiliate marketing. My YouTube channel is up. As far as my experience is concerned, I cannot compete with celebrities and highly skilled content creators. I need to personal brand. So if you are like me, you're trying to create a personal brand, consider affiliate marketing. And because of that, I was able to finally understand what I stand for, what I do not stand for. It's because of personal branding. It has become an enjoyable journey. My Facebook content and my Instagram has been growing because of affiliate marketing. Pushing down, just be a content for everybody. You have to represent a certain type of group. You have to represent this group that is relatable to yourself. Viewers right now, they are actually become more and more intelligent affiliate marketing to also add value to your content. If you wanted to know a particular high income affiliate program, I am attaching the link to the description of this video. And if you wanted to set up your social media accounts for free to get started, you can also send me a message in my Facebook Gardens of Blessings contents or DM me through my Instagram account, Leonie's Daily Blessing. Up an online tea day to see if affiliate marketing is for you. You are a small content creator just like me, is e-commerce, or we call electronic commerce. Commerce comprises the selling and the buying of items, products, and services through the internet or intranet medium. Internet is the most helpful and reliable medium to generate revenue and attract potential customers. E-commerce is the current way of starting a business and boosting up an existing business. So, I have an online store courtesy of the brand that I am affiliated with also. So this means I can sell to about 24 countries in worldwide using a product link that I put in every content. If you are my follower in my Facebook, I have an online shop there. And if you notice, I have links there in every product that I promote. I have a shop that I connect each product and every post that I have usually put in there. Those are the products in my website. I'm in doing e-commerce and affiliate marketing. I am doing these online business ideas through content creation. My contents are also surrounding the products that I am using, which make it easier to create content. So when I started e-commerce, my contents became consistent and Facebook started noticing me. Since then, I became part of the growing Facebook content creators for Reels. And for this reason, I am earning bonus plays in Facebook. And also because I am into affiliate links and e-commerce, my YouTube content is getting views organically. Meaning if I have organic view content are consistent in YouTube. Just I am into affiliate and e-commerce, I am making consistent content and I provide value to my content. It is very, very exciting when all the views and followers and watchers that you have are organic, and also they send you message and support you all the way through affiliate marketing and e-commerce. Insights and analytics become more clear to me on how to study it. I have a lot of enjoyable moments and learnings about affiliate and e-commerce.